Hi, this is Cindy from littleheehaw.com. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm sharing my egg holder to be used in a fridge. And if you would like to know where to buy this egg container, please click the link in the description. I always want an egg holder to have easy access to my eggs. I just hate those plastic cartons that come with the eggs I purchased from the stores. Seriously, it takes me a while to get them out. Sometimes I even got cuts from those plastic cartons. Finally, I just got tired of it and bought myself an egg holder to keep me away from those frustrations. Okay, enough of my chit chat. Let's open it to see what it looks like. As you can see, there is two trays comes with it, and a transparent box to hold the trays together for the eggs. Well, that's it, how it looks like. There's holes in here. So put it back in like this. It's pretty handy. You open, you put the egg in here, and then push it back in. How easy is that to get your eggs out from here? Now let me talk a little bit more about this egg holder. You can use this egg holder to hold up to 40 eggs. This means you can buy 3 cartons of 12 eggs each time with a little extra room to spare. This container will keep your eggs intact and fresh, and also away from dust and moisture. It has a clear looking design and gives you a view of how many eggs you still have left before you have to go buy more. This keeps your fridge and eggs well organized. To get the eggs, just pull out the trays, and it can't be any easier than this. Let me wash my whole egg holder and come back to show you how I use it with the eggs. Hi, I just got back from washing my egg holder, and I have also bring a package of 24 eggs with this plastic cartons. See, this is the eggs that I don't like, these plastic cartons that I want to show you. So, okay, let's put my eggs in the egg holder. I think they are hard to open it. Okay, all I have to do is just slide it over, slide it out. And put my eggs here one by one. put it back in. I only have 24 eggs, so I don't have enough to put in, use up all the spaces. Oop, this one leaks. It's broken from the cartons. See, that's how easy it is to use it. So all you have to do is just slide it out and then get your eggs out. And then push it back in and you're done taking it out. How easy is that? It's pretty nifty, right? Alright, that's all I have for this video. For more product reviews, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the link in the description to find out where to buy this egg holder or read a full detailed review. Thanks for watching.